The AI trade just cracked, and the VIX is telling you it isn't done. Fear jumped almost 13% in a single session while semiconductors took a 4% hit, and that combination rarely resolves in one day. I'm Max Sterling. This is your StockStory market ritual, for minutes, the numbers, and what they're hiding. So here's the question that decides tomorrow: was this a one-day chip purge, or the start of money permanently leaving the most crowded trade on Wall Street? Because if it's the latter, the defensive names that rallied today aren't a hiding spot, they're the new leadership. Consumer staples and healthcare don't lead bull markets. They lead when capital is scared. Who wins if I'm right? The boring dividend payers. Who loses? Everyone's still treating every AI dip as a gift. Look at the tape. The Nasdaq dropped 2.21% to 25,587. The S&P fell 1.44% to 7,365. But the Dow? Down just 0.09%, basically flat. That gap is the whole story. This was a technology event, not a market event. Tech sank 4.14%, industrials lost 2.01%, materials shed 1.45%. On the other side, consumer staples rose 1.87%, healthcare and real estate each gained 1.41%, textbook defensive rotation. The VIX spiked 12.79% to 19.49. Intel fell 6.14% to $132.28 on heavy volume. Primoris cratered 21.59%, Fluence dropped 15.8%, AXT lost 15.72%. The winners were quantum names: Quantinuum up 13.46%, Infleqtion up 12.32%, and SpaceX, which raised $25 billion in debt and ticked up 0.98% while the chips burned. Now the scoreboard, and today it was kind to me. I called the VIX holding above 16.5, it closed at 19.49, a clean hit. I called energy leading again with a positive print, it gained 0.74%, hit number 2. The third call didn't land, I'll own it in one line. I had industrials going green on cyclical rotation, and they fell 2.01% instead. That puts me at 246 overall. Still underwater, still keeping every receipt. Here's my read. The VIX volatility saga we've tracked all week just turned again. Fear melted to 16 on the Iran deal, popped on hawkish wash, and now it's back to 19.49 on a chip-led flush. That's not noise, that's a market that can't find footing. And the rotation watch is real now. This is the cleanest defensive rotation we've logged this month, not a one-sector wobble. What I'm actually doing is not buying the Nasdaq dip yet. With Micron earnings due and Cerebra's already guiding to shrinking margins, the AI complex has live catalysts that can make 4% look small. I want to see the VIX cool before I trust any bounce. So here's tomorrow's call, logged and gradable. The VIX stays above 18, I don't think this fear unwinds in 24 hours with Micron looming. If it slides back under 18, the dip buyers won and I was too cautious. Logging it. Come back and grade me. Same time tomorrow. Subscribe so the ritual finds you.